Hello, Jacob Lee from Reaching Africa's Unreached. My table saw motor burned up, and so what we're doing here with our carpenters is we screwed a regular crosscut saw underneath, and we made our own table saw. Look at there, Carpentry, our expert carpenter. You can see the blade there. And if you look over here, we have to run this by a generator, of course. You can see underneath here is our saw. We have to be creative here. No surrender, no defeat. As one of my favorite missionaries, C.T. Studd, said, in all things, preaching the gospel and doing our work. Praise God.